So AMC and GameStop stock had a huge green candle this morning, and I do believe this is just the beginning of the squeeze that is coming very soon. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So in the morning, GameStop rose from $29.64 all the way to $31.88, where we did hit a high. Right now we're only halfway through the trading day and almost 15 million shares have been traded and millions of dollars have been loaded into call options. Obviously, we did have a huge sell-off from 31.88 all the way back down to 29.90, but all of that was just short dated calls. These are all hedgies just crapping their pants, because once we break $32, once we break $32.50, I believe we are going to have a god candle all the way to $46, where we hit a high back here on the second run back in June. But I have been saying in every single one of my videos over the past week that a giant bull flag has formed over the past month and a half. This is the giant pull that we have from the end of October all the way to the end of November, and then we had a period of consolidation for the past 2 weeks in December. Now we have finally broken out of this bull flag, and I believe GameStop is getting ready for a move higher. We could even see the bull flag on the weekly chart, which is freaking insane. But as you guys see here, GameStop today has officially made a move higher. On my X account last night, I did call out that we had a bullish engulfing candlestick yesterday, meaning that today was more than likely going to be a green day, and so far it is a big green day. But not only do we have this bullish engulfing candlestick on the daily, but we also have it on the weekly. So if we could close this week above $29.50, this will be a bullish engulfing candlestick on the weekly, meaning next week we can really see a huge freaking candle. I mean, I'm talking maybe 100% candle, a 200% candle, 1,000% candle like we saw back in January of 2021. Anything is possible. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but I did sell some of my GameStop weekly calls today for over 500% profit. I did put most of it into AMC, and I actually did buy some NVIDIA calls too. So normally I don't trade NVIDIA at all, but I saw an opportunity here. And so far, those weekly calls, I bought $131 calls for this week, are up almost 70%. I saw, we had some good resistance here at $129, bought those calls. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. If it goes back up to like 134, 135, that contract will be up almost another 500% right there. AMC has made this bounce though off this $4 level, and we have finally got a green day. So far we are green. We have hit a high of $4.35, was up over 6%, and we have finally broke this bearish trend. So AMC was red for 7 consecutive trading days. On the 8th day, we are finally green. 14 million shares traded so far, halfway through the day right now, and I do believe AMC is going to explode off this level back to $5, especially if we do see GameStop explode past $32.50. It's over with. We're going to see almost every stock in the meme basket explode. It is going to be a huge green explosion, and it was so predictable that AMC was going to bounce off this $4 level. Obviously, I didn't want it to come all the way down to $4, but that's what happened, and that's also what happened back here and back here. So it was just a money move to buy calls while it was under $4, but I really do believe AMC will be trading back at $5 in no time. So not even halfway through the day, over $6.4 million was loaded into net call premiums, which is absolutely insane. We're seeing millions of dollars loaded into calls. Today, a massive whale purchased 89,000 shares of GameStop worth almost $3 million while it was trading at $31.48. This guy said, if this is Ryan Cohen or Roaring Kitty, be prepared for the biggest recoil in stock market history. So I mean, people are buying up GameStop. They don't care if it's at $31 anymore or $30. Once GameStop does break this $32 level, which bears are guarding so hard, we are going to Valhalla. We are going to the frickin' moon. I don't even know how else to describe it, but we are going to frickin' launch. The Bronx Viking said GameStop pullback courtesy of whatever whale just dumped all the $60 calls for next week that they purchased yesterday. So we did get a huge pullback, like I mentioned earlier, from $31.88 all the way back down to $29.90. And all these red candles were just short dated calls. On the 1 minute candle chart, this candle where it hit $29.90, 410,000 shares were traded in that 1 minute. That was the largest volume candlestick on the day. From that level, from $29.90, right now we're back at $30.70. So what is really huge to see is what used to be resistance here at $30. You know, every time we tap $30 over the past 2 weeks, we came back down to like $27, $28. This could be turning into our new support level. $30 could really be the new support. And let's just say Roaring Kitty comes back this week or next week, or Ryan Cohen, and they say they bought more. GameStop does end up going to $40, $50, even possibly $60. Obviously, this is a level where a lot of people are going to start taking profit. Let's just say we get that jump to $60. Let's just say it's $60 right over here. And then we come back down. I believe $30 will be the new floor. If we do get this huge God candle that we really have been waiting for, and it comes back down, $30 will be the new floor. And from there, we could jump even higher, possibly to all-time highs. So this day is really huge. If we could close above $30 and we turn this $30 level into a level of support, it will be a huge moment in GameStop history. So Adam Aaron tweeted for the first time since he diluted the stock. He said, "Big news, football fans. Starting this Friday, December 20th, the college football playoffs will be playing at many AMC theaters around the US. Do you have a 42-inch television screen at home? Why not see these games instead on AMC's 42-foot screen? Great football on giant screens." So obviously the college football playoffs, this is something brand new that has never happened. Hook 'em horns. They're going to win the college football playoffs. This is the first year of the college football playoffs, and this is the first year that AMC has sports on its 42-foot screen. So that is just huge to see. AMC keeps bringing new sources of revenue to AMC theaters. It's just amazing to see. Obviously, we don't know if they sold the 50 million shares, but let's just say the dilution is over. We're bouncing off this $4 level, and we're bouncing freaking hard. But who knows? They might be waiting for the 50 million shares. They might be waiting for a freaking squeeze to $10, $20, $30, and maybe that's where they sell the 50 million shares. Who knows? We don't really know yet. This guy said, AMC, this is it. So we do have the 2021 chart. As you guys see here, we dropped from $28 all the way back to $10. Huge drop. And then we squeezed, obviously, in January of 2021. Now it's about to be 2025, and AMC is looking exactly like it did back in 2021. So the squeeze might happen this month in December. If not, then I do believe January of 2025 is going to be a requel for both GameStop and AMC stock. Roaring Kitty is going to come back. It is going to be freaking huge. As for the meme coins, Keith Gill is up 36% today. I am up over 50% on my overall investment on Keith Gill. Obviously, this is just pure gambling, but I did recently make a video on my crypto channel on how you can actually invest into these meme coins. Now, like I've been saying, only invest what you could lose, because this could easily just go down. But at the same time, this could also easily go up freaking 10,000, 100,000%, especially if Roaring Kitty does come back. I believe Keith Gill, the meme coin, is going to go freaking insane. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to go subscribe to my crypto channel. The link will be in the description down below. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. We are only about 30 subscribers away from reaching 7,000 apes. So if you guys haven't subscribed and you've been watching my videos, make sure to go down and subscribe. Today we could be making history for GameStop stock. $30 could possibly be the new floor. If we could hold $30 throughout the rest of this week and the kitty does come back, or Ryan Cohen says he bought more, and we do get this squeeze all the way to $50, $60, then I believe if we do get some pullback, $30 will be the new floor, which will be freaking huge for GameStop stock. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stock, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on. Push it.